Hi friends, may all you in good health and may enjoying the peace of life. Welcome to my YouTube channel Happy Home Trends. In this channel, I will show you most gorgeous and stylish short bob, pixie cut and medium length haircuts. You will get a lot of ideas for your haircuts and you can get any style from any salon. I will suggest you please subscribe to my channel if you are new here and also share it with your friends and family members if you like my videos. Also, I want you suggest that if you want to watch more videos like these haircut ideas, then please hit the bell icon. As you hit the bell icon, you will get notification of my all new uploaded videos. You get a lot of more information about hair fashion by subscribing this channel. So please subscribe and keep supporting me. I must say thanks for your time to watch this video. Thank you.